What is cracking, guys? Axe here. So guys, in today's video we're going to be discussing the differences between hubs, switches, and routers. So these devices all serve a similar purpose of connecting devices within a network, and they handle data in distinct ways. So let's start with hubs. So a hub is a simple device that connects multiple network devices on a local network. It has several ports to accept Ethernet connections as well. However, hubs are actually not smart. They don't filter or direct data based on where it's supposed to go. Instead, when data comes in through one port, the hub sends it to all the other ports, meaning all devices connected to the hub will receive the data, even if it wasn't meant for them. This can create unnecessary network traffic and security risks since devices receive data that don't need it. Now, let's talk about switches. A switch is very similar to a hub, but more efficient. Like a hub, a switch has multiple ports for connecting devices, but unlike a hub, a switch is intelligent. It can learn the unique MAC addresses of the devices connected to it and store this information in a table. When a data packet arrives at the switch, it checks its table to find the correct destination and sends the data only to that specific device. This reduces unnecessary network traffic and improves efficiency, which is why switches are preferred over hubs. A hub just sends data to all connected devices, while a switch directs the data to the correct device based on its MAC address. Both hubs and switches are used to manage data within a local network, like in a home or office. However, neither of them can manage data between different networks, which is where a router comes in. And guys, a router connects different networks and forwards data based on IP addresses. When data comes to a router, it checks the destination IP address to determine whether the data is meant for its own network or another network. If the data is intended for a different network, the router forwards it to the appropriate network. Essentially, the router acts as the gateway for a network, enabling communication between networks, such as from a private network to the internet. So let's visualize this with an example. Imagine four different networks, each with its own router, hub, or switch. These networks are exchanging data internally within their own systems. However, when a device on one network needs to communicate with a device on another network, the data has to leave its own network and travel through the routers to reach the destination network. Each router checks the data's IP address and forwards it accordingly, eventually reaching the correct network. So, in conclusion, hubs and switches are used for creating and managing data exchanges within a local network, while routers connect to different networks and route data based on IP addresses. So, guys, I hope this video helps, and I hope it clarifies the differences between hubs, switches, and routers. So, thank you again, guys. Axe out.